Hey everyone, welcome back to I'm Gizmo Geek. You might remember from my previous videos that I had a Blaupunkt Key Largo 970 for the past 4 years. The system was so slow for navigation, but somehow I managed to make it work with the head unit reloaded app and use the wired Android Auto for navigation. But still the boot up times were very slow, lack of Apple CarPlay was troubling, and the touchscreen also gave up. So finally, I upgraded it with the Blaupunkt Santarosa 985. This has a 9-inch capacitive touchscreen. There is also a 10-inch model if you are interested. It has an IPS screen with 1280 by 800 pixel resolution. Has 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage with octa-core processor and Android version 11. Other Blaupunkt models are still on Android 9. The Android version is one of the main reasons why I choose this model over the models like Lauderdale. Navigation ready as it has Google Maps installed on it, so you can connect to the internet via hotspot and use the maps. This also supports wireless Android Auto and CarPlay right out of the box. But surprisingly, the box doesn't mention anything about it. Phone Link app for mirroring your phone, but not a useful app in my opinion. Then with the twin Bluetooth connect, it will allow two Bluetooth devices to be connected at the same time. As usual, there's a rear camera included free inside the box, and the interface looks exactly as shown on the box. The display also supports connecting the HD camera, 360 camera and fast boot. This fast boot is very important as it allows the system to boot up very quickly. The MRP on the box is around 35,000, but I got it for Rs 25,000 from Laxman car spares and accessories located in Vashi, Navi, Mumbai. I will leave the details in the description so you can check out with them if at all they can supply it to you. Again, the Blaupunkt stereo comes with 2-year warranty, but it is valid only if you buy from Blaupunkt website or authorized car dealers. Do not buy it from Amazon or any other online website as you won't get the warranty. Now let's quickly check the interface and settings of the Santarosa 985. This is how it looks like installed in my Maruti Suzuki Baleno. You will need this plastic frame to be purchased separately to fit your car, and also a canvas connector to be connected from the behind. The mic and reverse camera would be provided inside the box, so no need to purchase them. The mic is placed here above the steering wheel, so my voice is better picked up. The reverse camera looks like this, which is helpful for parking and it has decent quality. Coming to the display, there are touch panel keys on the left for mute and screen off, home screen, back and volume control. These are pretty standard keys in most of the Blaupunkt displays. This is how the home screen looks like. It is a pretty basic looking one and also not sure why Blaupunkt doesn't improve the interface. Such large icons and with basic colors. But the navigation is smooth over here, you can easily slide over the pages. Now coming to the apps, first we have Music app. You can connect any pen drive and play music here. Bluetooth music for playing music by connecting to any phone via Bluetooth. The video app is to play local videos through pen drive or the internal storage. The pen drive or any other USB device can be connected through the two USB ports you get, which are generally placed inside the glove box. This connector or the extender is also a part of the box, so once we connect the pen drive, you get the option to explore. You can see the internal storage and the pen drive storage through the File Manager app. You can open Music app to play music by browsing through the songs. Here are some music demos to understand the audio output. Videos can be played from the video app. The colors and the viewing angles are pretty good to watch videos on this. Next, there's Equalizer app with 13 bands where you can tune the music output based on your taste. I find the audio output to be pretty good. I'm using the company fitted speakers only and the audio output is great as you heard before. Then there's Radio app. You can choose the channels manually and favorite them. Or you can use the auto scan option to get all the channels available. It is a good looking app and the channels sound pretty clear. The phone link app is to mirror your phone screen. As I mentioned before, I won't be recommending using it. The photo app to browse through photos in internal storage or pendrive. And the car app shows some canvas options, but I'm not sure the purpose of it. Maybe a dealer would be able to help understand it. You can turn off the screen while playing music too with this. The GPS test app is to check whether the inbuilt GPS is working or not. It is placed inside the pillar portion of the car during installation. You can connect external devices for audio and video in and access them from here. The camera app is to connect 360-degree camera and any other type of cameras. There's also theme option, but again these are pretty basic. Same interface with different color options. You can change the wallpaper behind the icons too, but they are hardly visible because of the large opaque icons. There is manual for each feature. If you want to explore the features, you can check this too instead of having to download the manual. There is a TPMS app to support tire pressure monitoring system. You can buy a Blaupunkt or other third-party tire pressure monitoring system and connect its USB dongle to the system for the display to show the tire pressure and temperature here. Good to have this support. To install more apps, obviously we need a Playstore, and that is not accessible by default. You need to go to Settings, System, Version and tap on multiple times to access the factory settings. The passcode here is 8888. Then select Allow Unsecure Apps for showing the Playstore. Once done, you can see the Playstore app, which you can use to install different apps. Then in the settings, you can control the display features. The brightness is sufficient but doesn't have auto brightness option. The night mode can work according to the lamps on or off. This helps turn navigation to dark mode when the lights are turned on automatically. So irrespective of time of day, if the lights are on, the navigation turns into dark mode, which is good. The Bluetooth setting helps choose the multiple devices connected. The Wi-Fi app is the one that creates Wi-Fi direct connection with the phone for wireless Android and CarPlay usage. This helps in strong connection wirelessly with the phones. In volume, you can have granular control of different sound outputs. You can even control the panel light color from the settings, which is good. The steering wheel control is also supported, and you can pair individual buttons with two different modes, a single press one and a long press, and pair them to different functions easily. The Android version is 11, and you can also do over-the-air update easily by connecting to internet, which is very convenient instead of having to download the update somewhere and connect a pen drive to update it. You can see over here that I already have an update to install. Finally, the wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Now, as I mentioned before, Android Auto and CarPlay are pre-installed on this display and they work really well. You don't need to install any external app for them to work. The display automatically starts CarPlay or Android Auto once you turn the car and the phone is connected via Bluetooth to it. Otherwise, you can go into the interface and tap on the phone to start. The wireless Android Auto is super smooth, quick and snappy as it works totally on the processing power of your phone. You can have split screen or full screen based on your requirement. I really enjoyed using daily for my commute. Regarding the wireless Android Auto, there are two issues that I faced till now. One, the screen starts as blank sometimes when the Android Auto is started, like this. We have to press home and tap on the Android Auto icon again for the screen to be visible. Happens once in 2-3 weeks. The other issue is that the music playback can stutter occasionally when there is an interference with the signal. As the wireless Android Auto is working on 5 GHz Wi-Fi direct, interference in some areas could be seen in music playback. Again, these both are minor inconvenience but thought of sharing with you. The CarPlay, on the other hand, is also pretty smooth and the animations are great. So based on whether you have an iOS or Android device, you can choose the navigation. Also, lastly, the boot time. When you start the car, the screen starts within 10 seconds. It doesn't take much time. The fast boot is very real and useful. It's such a major upgrade from previous Blaupunkt models, which used to take 50 seconds to boot up. So that's a detailed overview of the Blaupunkt Santarosa 985. This is a great device for using wireless Android Auto or CarPlay with large and wide capacitive touchscreen within Rs 30,000 budget. Sony or Pioneer would cost way high for the same features. The native Android apps in these are slow, as you might have observed. The maps, YouTube, etc. take time to load. So if you want to use the native Android apps, you need to have patience. But for the wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, this is a perfect one for reviving your old car stereo rather than using your phone as navigation tool. Hope you liked the video and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. I'll be posting more videos about this Santarosa 985 in the future, so stay tuned to see that. See you all in the next one.